Well, hello there. Happy August 17th, 2010, Karen. Here I am outside. We have an exciting schedule today. First, we're going to take long-distance shots and play with the microphone, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm basically testing out. Figured I might as well do an intro. I'm going to paint a picture, I'm going to make a sandwich, and I'm going to meet some kitties. Yeah. So let's do it. Fly!
Most artists use brushes or some type of utensil to get the color onto the canvas. Now, personally, I don't believe in that. You want to use your hands.
Outside, dancing with my fingers. Why is there a plant in my shot? Ah, there it is again. I guess I can't do anything about it, so I'm just gonna dance around it. Here are some rocks outside. It's a different place outside, but it doesn't matter 'cause there is rocks. I'm gonna go sing in another spot. This is the last part of the song 'cause I'm running out of thoughts to sing. Yeah, with no people around, oh yeah, so I'm gonna end the song, me dancing like this, oh yeah, done.
What stuff to do? Steal use of lists from Weezy Waiter. Oh, Karen already did that yesterday, so. Make intro. Done. Oh, I forgot one. That one's gonna stay on there. Remind Karen about the thing that I'm getting in the mail. Oh yeah, I'm getting something in the mail that's really, really, really awesome. It's going to amaze her. Oh, I guess this video's doing it, so mark that one off. Make sandwich. All done. Yay. Meet kitties. Oh, Sammy. Wanna go outside? Oh, hello, Ossie. Ossie. Hello. And Dottie. Hello, Dottie. Look at my good girl. Yay, they're so wonderful. Done. Mock Karen's song that she made. Wow. I'm actually not going to do this one right now. I think I'm going to save this for later. And I'm going to do something amazing. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. Thumbs up.